There are a few brands of budget earbuds which perform so well normally that I really hope that they come up with ANC option, and Haylou is one of those companies.
Those hands and lights can't stop me. I just hold on for dear life. Yeah, I can't give up this feeling that I get when looking down from the sky.
Today we're taking a look at Haylou's newest ANC option to see if this budget earbuds brand has the capacity to make a great ANC earbuds. Spoiler alert, it does. Welcome to a review of the Haylou T16. Hello, my name is Sean and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, I do a lot of tech reviews as well as unboxing, and if that is something that interests you, do consider subscribing to this channel, leave a thumbs up on this video, as well as share this video to all your friends around. And with that said, let's get on with a review of the Haylou T16. These earbuds are graciously sent to me by Haylou for review, and although these were sent out to me, I will still be providing my honest opinion so you know what you're getting into before buying these earbuds. And I personally bought an extra unit so that I could give them away to you guys, and if you want to participate in the giveaway, do check out the links in the description below. The Haylou T16 retails for about 229 Malaysia ringgit, and I noticed that these are marketed by Haylou as US AT earbuds in their Amazon page, so do shop around if you plan to buy one of these earbuds. And if you're interested, do check out some of my links in the description below, and it'll definitely help out the channel a lot. Haylou have been very consistent with their earbuds design, and when you first hold the case in your hands, it feels like every other Haylou earbuds before. The T16 comes with a really nice plastic case that has a very smooth rubber-like plastic, but it's the smooth type of rubber, not the grippy type. The top of the case, you get a super stealthy Haylou branding and logo, which is nice because it doesn't make the case look messy and cheap. Stealthy is always a good way to go. And the case also feels nice and dense, not heavy, but has a slight weight to it to make it feel like it's really high quality case. And behind that, you get a USB-C charging port, and the front itself you get an LED indicator to tell you if the case is charging or if it's full. From the outside of it, you won't immediately be able to tell the battery percentage of the case, but if you open the lid and the LED blinks in red quickly, then you know that the case has less than 25% of battery life. So the flat bottom of the case also hides a charging coil, so you can place this onto any Qi certified wireless charger and you're good to go. The lid opening action is similar to most Haylou earbuds, which doesn't have any mechanism to hold the lid open. It's a small issue, but it does take away the illusion that this is a potential premium earbuds. And the earbud sits inside the case like a typical TWS fashion, and for me sometimes when my hands are dry, it's a little bit difficult for me to take the earbuds out of the case because of the smooth earbud surface. So from an earbuds perspective, this is where Haylou is a little bit different from its older siblings, and since this is an ANC earbuds, the shape of it is a little bit bigger than its other siblings. The entire earbuds is made of the same finish as the case and has a nice stealthy Haylou logo in the front, tastefully placed without being desperate to shout its brand, and the LED indicator is also very small and subtle right at the top of the earbuds and disappears once it's connected to your phone. And behind of the earbuds, you get a slightly contoured shape of the earbuds, and it sits very nicely inside your ear. The earbuds also comes with an in-ear sensor to help with autoplay or pause, so that's super convenient. So the battery life on these are not the strongest, and compared to many other ANC earbuds nowadays, it's actually on the lower side. With ANC, the earbuds will give you about 4.5 hours of playback time and a total of 22.5 hours with the case. Without ANC, you get about 6 hours and 30 hours in total with the case. Remember, this is tested at 50% volume, so the louder you play, the faster it drains the battery life. The earbuds takes about 2 hours to fully charge, and the case takes about 3 hours to fully charge. From a spec sheet perspective, these are really well spec'd for modern earbuds and comes with an in-ear sensor, app control, and a host of other great features. For starters, the earbuds come with a Bluetooth 5.0 that supports both the AAC and SBC audio codec. No Qualcomm aptX support here, but for the most part with Spotify and YouTube, these are plenty sufficient. The earbuds also comes with an IPX5 water resistant rating, which is pretty good for modern ANC earbuds. Nothing crazy, but at least it does protect you a little from the elements. You can use this in the gym and even run run under the rain with these, and they shouldn't be much of a problem for these earbuds. The earbuds also comes with independent playback, but since there is an in-ear sensor, the earbuds don't give you that seamless feeling when you take them out of your ears. Lastly, these earbuds don't come with multi-point support, so no luck connecting more than one device at a time. Not sure if this is just my copy, but one thing I want to highlight is the antenna of these earbuds. It occasionally chops and connection breaks for a microsecond, sometimes on the left and sometimes on the right, and if I cup my hands over my ears, sometimes it does break the connection. So just something to highlight on my copy of these earbuds. So the Haylou app is also really simple to use, and if you run iOS, find this Haylou app, which is the orange color icon, and the same goes with Android devices. The app is very simple and lets you do a few important things. So under the universal section at the top here, you get to change your device name and you get to find your headset, and it'll show you a map where your earbuds are found. And you also get to remap the single tap controls of your earbuds, and the option that you get inside here includes play or pause, track skipping, or volume down. So it only allows you to change the single tap controls. So for me personally, my favorite will be changing it to volume control, since I can auto play or pause when taking out my earbuds. And at the bottom, you also get a battery level of your earbuds as well as the case, so very convenient there. And at the bottom, you'll also be able to toggle between the different ANC modes, and the T16 has 4 in total, including a full transparency mode, full-on ANC, outdoor mode, as well as a normal mode, which Haylou calls it ambient sound. So that's basically all of the controls you get with the Haylou app. The ANC is one very exciting topic to talk about on these earbuds because the 4 modes that Haylou provides is very interesting. The earbuds come with hybrid ANC technology, which means it gives you the feed-forward mic to monitor the external sound and a feedback mic that monitors the inside of your ears. Full-on ANC works pretty nicely, and I would say that the earbuds will cut out most of the low humming noises around, but does let high-pitched noises get through, and it doesn't quite cut off chatters all that much. The transparent mode is very nice on these earbuds and does let environmental noise through quite nicely without feeling overly artificial. The 2 modes, which is the ANC and transparency mode, do get affected by wind noise quite a bit, and you'll be getting the buffering sensation when wind hits the mic. But that's where Haylou introduces the 3rd mode, which is outdoor mode, and this is essentially transparency mode with enhanced ability to cut wind noise. And from my test, the ability to cut wind noise is amazing, even when I'm sitting next to the fan. The last ANC mode is basically off, so it'll make the earbuds behave more like traditional earbuds. All in all, I think the ANC on these are pretty decent, and I would rate it at about 70% effective. Compared to the competition, the Bose QC earbuds will cut out about 90% of ambient noise, the Sony WF-1000XM3 and AirPods Pro at 80%, the Tronsmart Apollo Bolt and the Haylou T16 have about the same effectiveness at 70%. So you can have all the fancy features on the earbuds, but if it doesn't have good sound quality, then it kind of defeats the purpose of it being a good earbud. Fortunately, the T16 doesn't disappoint, and audio is very balanced and does a great job controlling between the warmer and brighter tones. The earbuds come with a CCAW aluminium copper diaphragm, so it does produce a very nice bright sound signature. Bass on these earbuds are also pretty decent and does provide a sufficiently deep signature at higher volumes, making most music that exhibits deep bass sound pretty nice. Mids, highs and vocals are also very nicely balanced on these earbuds, so it gives you a very nice sounding signature across the range. Soundstage on these are pretty normal and it's not the widest sounding earbuds, but this provides you with sufficient separation for you to enjoy your media. Haylou has always had decent call quality, and especially for an ANC earbuds, I kinda expected more. The earbud sounds clear across the range, no doubt about that, but it does struggle to keep environmental noise down in noisier places. For an ANC earbuds, I kinda expected it to do a better job. Anyways, let's take a listen to the call quality test of these earbuds. So this is a test to see if the Haylou T16 is a good earbud for making phone calls. So this is me speaking in a relatively quiet environment, and this is the call quality that you can expect. So what I'm going to do now is to turn on a simulated background noise so you can hear the difference. So now there's a simulated background noise playing in the background, and this is the call quality that you can expect from these earbuds. So what do you think of the call quality? Let me know in the comment section down below. So latency performance on these earbuds is also really impressive and does appear to perform like modern Bluetooth 5.0 chipset, with very little latency for movies as well as gaming. Casually playing FPS games like PUBG is also really enjoyable. Anyway, let's take a look at the latency performance of these earbuds. So this is a test to see whether or not these earphones actually have a latency problem. So what I'm going to do now is clap into the microphone and you should be able to tell. So here we go. And if you see the hands not synchronized with the sound, then you will know that these earphones actually have a latency problem. The T16 is a pretty solid earbud, and especially if you set it in the app to control the volume with one tap, this becomes a pretty solid offering. To increase the volume, tap once on the right earbuds and it will slowly increase your volume, and to decrease it, tap once on the left earbuds. To play or pause media, you can ideally remove the earbuds from your ears and the sensor will auto play or pause your media. The only problem with these earbuds is that it only allows you to skip your tracks forward, so unless you configure it in the tab, so 2 taps on the right side will let you skip your tracks forward. To toggle between all the different ANC modes, double tap 2 times on the left earbuds and it will toggle you between ANC on, pass-through mode, outdoor mode and ANC off. To toggle between the 2 gain modes, tap 3 times on the right earbuds and it will toggle between the 2 modes. And lastly, to call your assistant, simply tap and press either side of the earbuds for 1.5 seconds and it will pull out your assistant. So that's basically all of the controls you get with the Haylou T16. Overall, I think these are pretty decently priced ANC earbuds and I think the performance is great. I hope my antenna issue is an isolated case, and if you have these earbuds, do let me know your experience and whether you face the same problem with the antenna. For everything else, I think Haylou is going in the right direction in making an awesome ANC earbuds. So that is it for this review. If you find this video helpful, smash that thumbs up button, share this video everywhere, and if you haven't yet subscribed, do consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.